your Indian consumer.
Hey consumers, it's me Prasad Vedpatak, your Indian consumer, back with another video. And this video is special because this is a vlog style PC build for you. मैंने कभी भी ऐसा video नहीं बनाया. I'll be doing it vlog style because the PC build thing takes a lot of time and this PC won't be with me for long. ये जल्दी यहाँ से जाने वाला है. It is one of my cousins, and for building this PC, I was helped by Aviraj Mari.
Hello.
Yeah, that's Aviraj Mari. आपने इन्हें देखा होगा. He is a giveaway winner. The Creative Woof 3 speaker was won by him, and he does the PC build work. So he has helped us a lot. And I'll just show you what were the selections that we did. So we selected the i3, the 6th generation 6100. I feel this is the best processor for a PC build that is in budget. And with this processor, I selected this motherboard, which is by Asus, the H110 MD. You will even get a H110 model in Gigabyte and MSI. But I selected this particular motherboard because I wanted to try this one out, and we'll be checking it out once I've unboxed it. So one interesting thing about this motherboard is it comes with a HDMI port. So this is one of the good things. We selected a Kingston HyperX 8GB DDR4 2.33 MHz RAM, so only one RAM. And we selected a Blue WD 1TB hard disk, which is a normal hard disk, not a SSD, and normal spike guard, antivirus that we get here. And we got a Logitech MK200 mouse and keyboard set. So Logitech के जो keyboard sets होते हैं, they are very sturdy and strong, nice, durable. So that is why we selected Logitech. And as far as the monitor goes, I selected a Samsung 18.5 inch. The model number you can see here, SF350. Now this is a very basic kind of monitor, but it is really slim. So we'll be unboxing it and then I'll show you more about it. And finally the cabinet. So we have selected a Zebronic, what is this, Spy 2, right? Yeah, the Zebronic Spy 2. So guys, Aviraj has got all the parts from Lamington Road and he's removing his tools now. And the master is getting ready to do his work. And I'll provide Aviraj all the required details below in the description, so you can check the description out. You can contact this guy and he will assist you with all your PC builds. He's an expert in Lamington Road purchases and he does bargain like me. Aviraj, yaar, promotion karta. Dude, just smile for the camera. So guys, whenever you buy all these parts, the processor, the motherboard from Lamington Road or from any other shop, do remember to check the seal, check the serial number, check all these things very carefully because all these parts are imported and people do fool you there. So right now we are doing the marriage. We'll be assembling the processor on the motherboard. So while placing the processor, you need to check the arrow marks, and he has checked it well, and now he's keeping the processor on the motherboard. Okay, is it done? Let's close it. And we are done with it. Let's get back to the time lapse. Yeah, so I did not tell you about the कहाँ गया वो SMPS. Yeah, where is the SMPS? Yeah, it is a 450 watt SMPS and it has a 3 years warranty. So all the parts that I'm showing you are very well covered in warranty here. And काफ़ी research करने के बाद I've selected all these parts. And that's the main reason I'm telling you this is the best budget PC build. Yeah, and this is not a gaming PC build. So before giving all those dislikes, do understand this. This is not a gaming PC, so I've not selected a GPU. You need to be very careful while installing all the motherboard cables और वो कैसे join करनी होती है, that the complete diagram is given on the motherboard. So do refer that before doing it if you're doing it yourself for the first time. And I'll say कि अगर आपको आता नहीं है फर्स्ट टाइम कर रहे हो तो मत कीजिए, बिकॉज अविराज जस्ट गेव अस अ वेरी नाइस एग्जाम्पल ऑफ व्हाट हैपेंड विद द गाय. सो ही टोल्ड मी दैट बंदे को बिल्कुल आता नहीं था पीसी इंस्टॉलेशन, एंड सो हैपेंड कि उसने प्रोसेसर खरीदा बहुत ही महंगा, एंड ही वेंट होम, ही ट्राइड डूइंग इट हिमसेल्फ, और प्रोसेसर के पिंच जो होते हैं वो ऊपर के बाजू रखे, राइट ना अविराज? दैट इज व्हाट हैपेंड. या
प्रोसेसर उल्टे साइड लगाया था.
अच्छा, उसने उल्टा लगा दिया पूरा प्रोसेसर, जैसे लगाना होता है उसका उल्टा लगा दिया, और फिर आपको तो पता ही है क्या हो जाएगा. द पिन्स गॉट बेंट एंड द कंप्लीट प्रोसेसर गॉट मेश्ड अप, और उसके बाद ही वांटेड वारंटी फॉर दैट. कैन यू इमेजिन दैट? सो दैट इज व्हाई आई वोंट रिकमेंड यू डूइंग इट योरसेल्फ. है ना अविराज? अविराज है ना, उसको कॉल करो ना.
चलेगा ऑल टाइम.
We are not managing the cables well right now because we'll be testing the machine completely, and after that we'll be dealing with the cables. So we are done with the cabinet, and now we are opening the monitor. Yeah, remove the plastic. Kachak. So I'm not doing a dedicated video for the monitor as well. I'll be unboxing it right away. Raw. This is unedited raw footage for you guys right now, right here. So as expected, the packaging of Samsung is really nice. One of the best things about this monitor is the really slim form factor of it. So let's see how slim it exactly is. Is it that slim? Okay, yes. From the top, of course it seems slim. You can see my finger, and it has this nice matte finish, so it is not the glossy types. That is again a nice thing. What do we have inside? We have a stand, we have some more stands and cables. This is, I'm searching for the HDMI cable, so I don't see a HDMI cable in here, but we of course have the VGA cable. So this monitor comes only with a VGA port, you see here. So it has this texture, and you can even wall mount it. So I'm really liking this monitor for the initial impressions and yeah, part or whatever. Yeah, so today I'm not using my unboxing knife. I'm using Aviraj's this little thing, Hatiyar, Rampuri, whatever you call it.
Industrial knife.
And it is not sharp, dude.
क्या open ना है?
Okay, so I'm unboxing this keyboard and mouse set. Okay, so here we have it. Let's give it a first turn on. And this monitor is very much like the previous monitor which I have unboxed earlier. So you'll get that in the I button, and all the controls and everything are very much similar. The BIOS offered by this motherboard looks really cool, guys. So I'm liking this motherboard a lot. It even has the LAN guard, as they have mentioned on the box. It even provides you lights. So yeah, it does lit up. So that's the pulsating light I was talking about. So I'm really liking this motherboard as such. This processor has approximately 2 GB graphics on board. So you see there. You can see the required info here, and it is alive. काय माझं आवडतं तुला?
तुझं हे माईक.
अच्छा, माईक आवडतो. ओके, मला तुझे दुसरा वाटलं.
चुप रे.
Okay, so we are done with the complete setup, and you can see the PC has started. So a few things that I liked about the system was the monitor. The monitor is really good, the motherboard, and the processor, no doubt about it. The processor is simply amazing.
ये लाइट असते.
So I'm having tea right now. We are done with the setup, and बहुत मज़ा आया हमें ये शूट करने में. So the complete setup costed us around 30,000 rupees. Yeah, and all the necessary links of all the products that I have bought in this setup, that I showed you in the setup, I'll be mentioning below in the description. So definitely do check it out, and Aviraj's contact details will also be there in the description below. So well, we did not install a GPU on this machine because this is a basic PC setup, the best basic PC build that you can get in around 30,000 rupees. And if you want to install a GPU in this machine, you of course can go with which one, the Zotac GTX 750 Ti, right? Yeah, so that is the best GPU in 10,000 rupees price bracket. So you can go with that GPU, And we are not going to use this machine for gaming of any sort, so this will be used for normal office use. And yes, I'm sweating like a pig. काम तो अविराज ने किया, but I'm sweating. So we had fun shooting this video. If you like such series of vlogging PC builds, do let me know. And for now, this was Prasad Vidpathak, your Indian consumer, signing off, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thank you.